This is number 76 in your textbook on page 151 of lesson 3-4, where we are asked to solve each equation. And so I notice I'm solving for x, and in this equation I have both an x squared and an x. So to solve an equation in a situation like that, I need to move everything to one side of the equal sign and leave 0 on the other side. One way to do that would be to subtract 3x from both sides of the equal sign. That would leave me with 0 on the left side and 11x squared minus 3x on the right side of the equal sign. Now I want to pull out the greatest common factor. What divides evenly into both the 11x squared and into the negative 3x? First of all, their coefficients, 11 and 3, have nothing in common. So I can't pull any numerical value out with my greatest common factor. But x squared and x to the first power are both divisible by x to the first. So my greatest common factor here is x. I'm going to divide each of those two terms by x. And I find that 11x squared divided by x is 11x, because we subtract exponents with division. And negative 3x divided by x is negative 3. I still have 0 left over on the left side of my equal sign. So now again, I have two things multiplied together. Call this first thing A and this second thing B. And the product, or answer to that multiplication problem, is 0. Well, the only way to get a product of 0 is if either A is 0 or if B is 0. And so I set A, which is x in this case, equal to 0. There is one of my solutions. B, in this case, is the quantity 11x minus 3. I set it equal to 0 as well and need to solve for x. I undo the subtraction first by adding 3 to both sides. And I'll have 11x is equal to 3. And then x is multiplied by 11, so we undo multiplication with division. So I get x is equal to 3/11. So my other solution is 3/11. Now remember, with these solutions you can always take them and plug them back into your original equation for x to see that what's on the left side of the equal sign comes out exactly equal to the right side of the equal sign.